name is Varsha Kohli. I'm a graduate student in ITM. Currently, I'm looking for spring internship. So I came to this event to learn more about the recruiters and the companies and what positions are open. So this was helpful because I met recruiters and I got to know what they are looking for in a candidate and how I should be applying and what are the keywords I should be using to make sure they find my resume. It was a very good experience.
Hi, my name is Brad, and I'm an ITM graduate student from SOM, and this is my first time to attend this network activity from MIS Club. There are many entrepreneur and manager came here tonight, and I think it's very beneficial activity for students to communicate and socialize with them. I hope more and more students could attend this activity.
Hello everybody, this is Aruna Mankipudi here and I'm the president of the MIS Club at UT Dallas. Today we have organized a networking mixer for all the JSOM students here. We have invited around 10 companies around the Dallas area. Recruiters from each of these companies have come to connect with MIS members, and this I feel is very beneficial for the new students as well as the students who've been here for a long time, to give them an opportunity to know how to interact with companies, professionals, and also to give away their resumes and build up their careers. So please stay connected for more upcoming events from MIS Club, which are going to be very beneficial for each one of you. Thank you.